Hi, a very good morning, children. Warm welcome to the new session. Happy Thursday, all of you. Today date is 26 August 2021 and the day is Thursday. Thursday. I hope you all have done your test well. Okay. Kindly submit your test papers today itself. Okay. Subject. Thursday means which subject you have, children? Thursday means you have EVS. EVS. And the classes. Which class are you all? Second standard. Second standard. Okay. Before going to write the topic name, we have to let's begin the class with prayer. All of you join your hands, close your eyes. Say Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Namaha. Okay. Smoothly rub your palms and touch your eyes with your fingers. Open your eyes with a smile. Yes. Okay. Today Thursday, date August 26, 2021 and today's subject is EVS. In this EVS subject, we are going to start with a new chapter. The chapter name is We Are For You. Lesson number 4, page number 35. We Are For You. We are for you. Who we means here? Who, children? About plants and trees. The topic is about plants and trees. What is there? Already we have discussed about plants and trees in a previous class, it seems. Yes. What we have studied in the previous class about categories of the plants. Even we have studied about uses of the plants also. In this lesson, you are deeply studied about what are the uses of the plants we are getting. It seems you are going to learn under this chapter, We Are For You. What you are going to learn under this chapter? What are the useful benefits we are getting from the plants and trees? It seems you are going to study from this lesson, We Are For You. We means who? Here, in this chapter, we means plants and trees. How plants and trees are very useful to us. It seems we are going to learn under this chapter. Okay. Everyone open page number 35, the lesson number 4, We Are For You. Okay. In our daily life, we need plants obtain products, trees obtain products. Do you agree or not? Yes. We are dependent on plants and trees. It is the source of the food. Apart from the food, so many useful things we are getting from the plants and trees. What are those? Yes. Okay. The first picture, observe the picture. My fruit is very tasty. My tender water is so sweet. Dry leaves can light a fire. The sticks of leaves make a broom. My husk can make a mat. And the rest can make a rope. Who I am? I'll explain it, children. My fruit is very tasty. Which is the fruit we use to prepare a sambar? Which nut we use to prepare sambar? Coconut. Is it or not? Tenginkai. Yes. It is very tasty, no? You just take a piece of coconut. Tenginkai, on the piece you just taste it. How it will, you just feel. It is very tasty, no? Yes, my fruit is very tasty. My tender water also very sweet. Tender water means what? Tenginakayi neeru, elaniru. It is very tasty, no? It is good for health also, children. Yes. Dry leaves can light a fire. We can light a fire with the help of dry leaves, coconut leaves. We can light a fire. Okay. Then, with the help of fire, what we can make? We can prepare cooking. We can boil the water. We can prepare a sambar. We can prepare a rice. Right? Yes. From the dry leaves, we can make light a fire. Okay. The sticks of leaves make a broom. In Kannada we can say kaddi porke, right? How we can prepare the kaddi porke? With the help of sticks of the coconut leaves. ತೆಂಗಿನ ಗರಿಯಿಂದ ಕಡ್ಡಿಗಳಿಂದ broom na ready ಮಾಡಬಹುದು children. We can make a broom, coconut stick broom. Kaddi porke, ತೆಂಗಿನ kaddi porke. We can prepare, we can make. Okay. Then my husk can make a mat. Husk means ತೆಂಗಿನ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ. Inside of that husk we'll get the coconut, children. The outer body of the coconut. ತೆಂಗಿನ ಕಾಯಿಯ ಮೇಲಿನ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ, ಚಿಪ್ಪು ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, ನಾಟ್ ಚಿಪ್ಪು, ತೆಂಗಿನ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ದ coconut, children. This is called husk. Husk means ತೆಂಗಿನ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ. Okay. From the husk we can make the mattress. Do you agree? Yes. ತೆಂಗಿನ ನಾರು we can make the mattress. We can make the rope. Yes. Okay. Then the rest can make a rope. How coconut tree is very useful now? Yes. That's why it is called Kalpa Vriksha. That's the reason coconut tree is also called as Kalpa Vriksha, because every part of the coconut tree is very useful, children. Coconut tender is also we will be drink. Coconut is also we used to prepare the sambar, all type of dishes. Then coconut leaves stick we used to make a broom. Then coconut husk we can make a coil, we can make a rope, we can make the mattress. So even each and every part of the coconut are very useful to us, children. So it is called Kalpa Vriksha. Clear? Okay. So write the answer. Kalpa Vriksha. Coconut. COCONUT. Coconut tree. Who I am? They are asking who I am. Right? There you have to write the coconut tree. Then what does the coconut tree give? Coconut tree gives us coconut. Coconut tree gives us coconut leaf stick. Coconut tree gives us tender water. Then we can prepare the mattress from the coconut tree husk. We can make the mattress. We can make the rope. These are the things we will write. Okay. Next, second one. Come to the page number 36. Tasty fruit. The raw is cooked. Leaves used for meals and fiber for cloths. Who am I? Banana tree. Banana tree. BANANA. Banana plant also we can write, or tree also. Okay. Banana tree. Right. How it will be very useful, children? During the pujas and all, ceremonies and all, we used to serve food. We will use which leaf to serve food? One is areca nut leaves, another one is this one, banana leaves, used to serve food. Is it or not? Yes. And banana we used as a fruit. Is it not? Fruit. It is very tasty and it is very good for health. Cheapest we can buy for a cheapest price, children. Compared to other fruit like apple, pomegranate, papaya, it's little bit costly compared to banana, and we'll get more. For 50 rupees, for 60 rupees, we'll get 1 kg, 2 kgs and all. So banana is the cheapest fruit and it is very tasty. It is rich in very vitamins and it is very good for health also. And raw one we use for a cooking purpose also. We make the banana chips. For a raw banana, we can make the banana chips. Banana palya we can make. Banana sabji we can make. Okay. So raw one used for cooking. And banana leaves used for a serving food. And fruits is very tasty. And banana fiber. naru. Okay, used to make a cloths. Okay, so banana tree is also very useful to in our day-to-day life. Clear? Write down the answer banana tree. Next, name the plant in the above picture. Which plant? Banana plant. Don't write tree, children. Write down plant. P-L-A-N-T plant. P-L-A-N-T plant. Next, what are the advantages of this plant? Banana leaves are used to serve food. Banana fruit is very tasty. Used as a food. Used as a fruit. Like food. Okay. Then banana fiber used to make a cloths. So in this way, raw banana used to prepare for a cooking purpose will use. Okay. Raw is cooked. So these are the advantages we'll have from this plant. Okay. Later I will make you to write answer for these questions. Okay. Say the names of different fruit trees. Mango tree, apple tree, then papaya tree. These are the so many trees are there. One or two, it's enough. Okay. As I know the names of the plants whose leaves are used to serve food. Only banana tree leaves are used to serve the food, children. No, one more is there. Which is that one? Areca nut leaves. Adike hale. Areca leaves. Adike hale. Yes, it is also one kind of tree, children. It is also very useful. We will get the areca, adike. Okay, it is having very demand on the market. Okay, for ceremonies and all, must and it should be there. Okay, for shastras and all, it should be there. Betel leaf and areca, it should be there. Okay, then areca leaves, areca nut leaves are used to prepare the, used to make the adike hale plates, serving plates. Okay, in this way, areca nut leaves are used to serve the food. Okay, and from the areca nut tree, we can make the like doormats we can make. Then for firewood purpose we can use areca nut tree. Coil we can make hagga. Okay. Then come to the page number 37. There are some of the plants and trees picture they have given. First one is papaya. It is a tree we can write. Second one, groundnut. Third one, corn. Fourth one, grapes. Grapevine. Fifth one, brinjal. It is a shrub. Tomato. It is a herb, right? Yes. Then chili plant. It is also herb. Then this is ridge guard, right? No, it is not ridge guard. Okay. Then it is a climber. Okay. Then ginger. Stem of the plant will be used as a food. Then onion. Carrot. It is the root of the plant. Then spinach. Leaves of the plants also will be used as a food. Next, write the names of 5 grains, 5 vegetables, 5 fruits that you have eaten. 5 grains. Write down ragi, rice, corn, wheat, W-H-E-A-T, wheat, rice, R-I-C-E, rice, dal, D-A-L, dal. Okay. Next, vegetables, carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot, beetroot, B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T, beetroot, potato, P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Then brinjal, B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. Next, onion, O-N-I-O-N, onion. Come to the third one, fruits names. A-P-P-L-E, apple, M-A-N-G-O, mango, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana, G-U-A-U-A, guava. Then the last one, watermelon, shall we write? Yes, water, W-A-T-E-R, water, M-E-L-O-N, melon, watermelon. We get grains like rice, dal, wheat, ragi and vegetables like greens, beans, carrot and fruits like grapes, orange from plants. Already we have studied about these things, right? Yes, we are getting all types of fruits and vegetables from the plants and trees. Yes. Sing and enjoy. Here comes the vegetable seller. I always look at her with wonder. Vegetable seller means she will bring so many kinds of fruits and vegetables, right? Yes, at our doorstep. The many colors of fruits and many types of vegetables. Colorful, it will be a colorful children. Different colors, we can see the different types of vegetables and fruits in a different color, right? In different size, different shape. Bring a glint to my eyes and make my mouth water. It started craving, right? If you see some vegetables, fruits, we start craving. Buy a neighbor, I buy all of them to eat and grow stronger. What will happen? We'll eat different types of fruits and vegetables, will become so stronger and healthy. It will be good for our health, children. Okay. Here we have a lovely garden full of jasmine, rose, lilies spreading fragrance all over, while the bees and flowers play. Bees, what it will do, children? It will suck a nectar from the flowers. Nectar means it is a sweet juice of the flower. Bee, honey bee, some of other insects, it just suck a nectar from the flowers. It is the food of the insects. Okay, nectar means sweet juice. Okay, where it will get the nectar, insects from the flowers. And what flowers have a good fragrance. Yes or no? Yes, we'll make the perfumes. We'll use jasmine. We'll use from the rose. We can make the perfumes, right? Yes. So some of the flowers has good fragrance. It will spread. If gentle wind comes, no, we can smell a good fragrance from our garden. If you have a small garden in your house, means you just observe. If gentle wind comes, no, it spreads flowers and some of the plants spreads good fragrance around your house. Okay. Some of the flowers names are jasmine, rose, lily. Next, come to the page number 39. Here, yes, some of the flowers we used as for a hair decoration purpose also, children. Like Muggin Jade we can make from the mogra flower, from jasmine flower we can make Muggin Jade. And some of the leaves we apply on the mehendi leaves, applied for as a hair conditioner. Next, mango leaves are used to put the door hangings during pujas and ceremonies and all. And some of the flowers, nectar, it is the food for honey bees and some other insects. Okay. And for ceremonies purpose, we used to put the rangoli in front of our house, right? Yes. After completing the rangoli, what we'll do? We'll decorate with the petals, rose petals, marigold petals. We used to decorate those rangoli, and we used to decorate our home with the flowers, right? Yes. So many useful things we are getting from the plants and trees. Name the flowers grown in your garden. Some of the names you can write. Rose, hibiscus, you can write. We get different types of flowers from plants. Flowers are used for decoration. Flowers are used for, it is the beautiful part of the plant. Flowers are the beautiful part of the plant. Flowers are used for a puja, and flowers are used for a decoration purpose. House decoration purpose, hair decoration purpose. Yes or no? Yes. Next, look at the pictures. Have you ever eaten the leaves of this plant when you have got cough and fever? Yes, of course. I have used, children. In my childhood, mummy used to give me tulsi leaves to cure cold and cough. Even I hope you people also have used. Okay. If you eat tulsi leaves per day, 1 or 2 leaves means you won't get like cold, cough. Rarely will get, okay, not regularly. Sometimes you may have these kinds of fevers, this kind of cough. Sometimes if you have means, you just it's a home remedy. If you eat tulsi leaves per day, 2-3 leaves means no, you won't get cold cough. Okay. So neem leaves are used for a skin allergy purpose. It will clear the skin allergies. Right? Yes. From the neem leaves, we can make the soaps. So many branded soaps are there, children, like Medimix, then Margo. Some of different soaps are there. All these kinds of soaps made from this neem leaf. Okay, it is very good for skin allergy. Then cough, and suffering from cough with a pain in the chest. What happens if continuously cough means will get a pain, chest pain, right? Yes. What a relief as soon as I had some tulsi. In that time, if continuous cough, if you have means in that time, you just take a 2-3 leaves of tulsi leaves, or you just make a boil it in a water. Tulsi leaves, boil it in a water. You just drink that water. Immediately you get the relaxation from the cold and cough, children. Okay. So here, which plants in your house are used for medicine? Tulsi, neem. Know from your elders, write the names of 5 such plants. Turmeric plant, we can write ginger plant. Yes, ginger, turmeric. If you make kashaya means it is also very good for health. It also cure cold and cough. Turmeric plant you can write. Then ginger you can write. Then tulsi you can write. Neem you can write. Then one more. I'll tell you later. Okay. Lemon. Yes, lemon we can write. Lemon. Then match these by drawing lines. First one, banana. Match to this girl. She is eating banana. Then banana leaf for serving food. Okay. Then rope. Used to collect the water from the well with the help of rope. She is collecting the water from the well with the help of rope. Next, from jasmine flower we can make the moggina jade. For hair decoration purpose we will use this flower. Okay. Next, for tulsi leaves to cure cold and cough. Match from tulsi to this boy. Okay. Then observe the picture. Why do animals need plants? Not only for us children, even animals, birds also depend on plants and trees for food. Okay. Where they will graze, children. So like buffalo, sheep, then goat, cow. Where they will graze? Even they will graze on the field, right? Hullu, mayodu. Okay. They drawing like right. Where they will graze the food. Where they get the food, children? Sometimes owner who will take care of the animals, right? They will give the food for the animals. But sometimes they will go to the field. Animals, they go to the field and they will get the grass from the field. So plants and trees are the source of the food for animals too. Not only for human beings, even animals, for birds, for human beings also. Okay. So this is your 4th chapter. We are for you. In the next session, I am going to give you some dictation words regarding this chapter. We are for you. Okay. Until that, keep learning about the chapter. We are for you. Thank you.